Would you trust an AI to book your flights, handle your shopping, and even schedule your doctor's appointments without you lifting a finger? Well, OpenAI just introduced Operator, a fully autonomous AI agent designed to do exactly that. But is this the next big tech revolution, or a dangerous mistake waiting to happen? What if this AI accidentally books a first-class flight to Tokyo instead of your budget trip to Miami? Or worse, what if it gets hacked and spends all your money? Stick around, because in this video, we'll break down what Operator can do, how it works, the risks, and why some experts are calling it the most dangerous AI tool yet. So what exactly is Operator, and why is everyone freaking out about it? Operator is OpenAI's most advanced AI agent ever. It's like ChatGPT, but instead of just giving you answers, it actually takes action for you. Need groceries? Operator will order them. Need a dentist appointment? It'll book one. Need a last-minute flight? Operator can compare prices, reserve your seat, and even handle your check-in. But here's where things get really interesting. Operator doesn't just work on one website. It can navigate multiple platforms at once, making it the first fully autonomous AI assistant ever. Sounds amazing, right? But what happens when AI gets too much control over our personal lives? So how does Operator actually work? Unlike ChatGPT, which just provides responses, Operator takes real-world actions using APIs, web scraping, and even phone call integration. Here's the crazy part. Operator learns from your habits. If you always order from Uber Eats at 7 p.m., Operator will pre-order your meal before you even ask. That's right, AI is now making decisions on your behalf. But this raises a massive question. Who's actually in control, you or the AI? Okay, let's talk about the good side of Operator. It saves time. Imagine never having to manually book anything again. It eliminates human error. No more booking flights on the wrong day. It's always available. No more waiting on hold with customer service. And the best part? Operator is expected to be fully integrated with ChatGPT, meaning you could tell it, plan my week, and it would schedule everything automatically. But before you get too excited, let's talk about the risks. Here's where things get scary. What if it books the wrong thing? Imagine Operator accidentally books a $10,000 first-class flight instead of your cheap economy ticket. What if it gets hacked? Cybersecurity experts warn that AI agents handling financial transactions could be a hacker's ultimate goldmine. What if companies start manipulating it? Think about this. What if big companies start paying to bias Operator's decisions? What if Amazon pushes its own products, even if cheaper options exist? Now you're seeing why some tech experts are calling Operator the most dangerous AI product yet. So should you trust Operator, or is this just another tech disaster waiting to happen? Right now, OpenAI says it's testing Operator on a small scale before making it widely available. But here's the real question. Would you trust AI to handle your money, schedule your life, and make decisions on your behalf? Because the truth is, AI isn't perfect. And when AI has too much control, even a small mistake could have huge consequences. All right, let's wrap this up. Is Operator a game changer or a tech disaster? If OpenAI gets it right, Operator could change how we interact with the internet forever. If it goes wrong, it could lead to the biggest privacy and financial disaster in AI history. So, will you use Operator when it comes out, or are you staying far away from AI handling your life? Let me know in the comments. Let's discuss. Before you go, don't forget to like if you found this video interesting. Subscribe for more insane AI updates. Comment below. Would you trust Operator with your money? This is AI Horizon Daily, and I'll see you in the next one.